Is there a way to remove a filter from a photo without using Photoshop?
Hello there. Today, we're going to tackle an interesting question. Is there a way to remove a filter from a photo without using Photoshop? Filters can be a fun way to stylize your photos, but sometimes we may wish to revert to the original image. Let's get started.
Can a filter be removed?
The first thing we need to address is whether a filter can be removed from a photo. Once a filter is applied and saved, it modifies the pixel data of the image. If the photo was saved over its original version, the process is often irreversible, especially with complex filters. However, there are some tools and techniques that we can try to revert the effects of a filter to some extent.
Using mobile apps.
There are several mobile apps available that claim to be able to undo filters or edits made to photos. Two of these are TouchRetouch and Snapseed. TouchRetouch. This app is designed to remove unwanted content from your photos. It can help mitigate some of the effects of a filter. Snapseed. This is a more comprehensive photo editing tool that provides fine control over various aspects of an image, including brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. With careful adjustments, you may be able to approximate the original photo. Please remember, however, that these methods are far from perfect and may not always give you the desired results.
Manual adjustments.
Another approach to remove a filter is to manually adjust the image parameters. Using a tool like GIMP, a free, open-source alternative to Photoshop, Lightroom, or even some built-in editors in photo viewer software, you can try to reverse the changes made by a filter. For example, if a filter added a blue tint to your photo, you could adjust the color balance to add more warmth. If it darkened your image, you could increase the exposure. However, this is a trial and error process and requires a good understanding of how photo editing works. So, to answer the original question, it's difficult, but not impossible, to remove filters from photos without using Photoshop. While the result may not be perfect, apps like TouchRetouch and Snapseed, or manual adjustments in photo editing software, can help to mitigate the effects of a filter and get your photo closer to its original state. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide has been helpful in navigating the world of photo filters.